Aloha, Barbecue for Beginners UK. As you can see, we're going to Hawaii today. We're going to do a Hawaiian dish called Huli Huli chicken. I'll explain what that's about in a minute. Let's get going. Okay, I think we'll lose the lay for now. It's going to get in the way a little bit, so I'll just pop that there. Huli Huli chicken. It's an Hawaiian dish. Those of you who know me, I'm kind of obsessed with Hawaii. I love going over there. So I thought I'd do something from Hawaii for a change. So we've got a chicken here. It's not from my usual butchers. This one's actually from Marks and Spencer's, but it's decent quality. Cost me £11.28. British free range whole chicken. So we're going to cut this up into, well, to take the legs off, the thigh off. I'm not going to do that in front of the camera because it'll take a while. I'm no butcher, but I'll show you what we have once that's done. And then we'll take you through the marinade and the glaze that we're going to use on it later when we've got it on the grill. So we'll get cracking with that. I'll be back in a minute when well, the miracle of time will be like that. And the chicken, they'll be already prepared. Okay, 20 minutes later and a few expletives. We've got the chicken kind of chopped up. We've got the wings there, the legs, kind of a couple of thigh bits and a bit of breast meat here. So I'm going to pop all this into a Ziploc bag. I'm basically going to marinate this stuff for around at least a couple of hours, but I'll probably do this for about maybe 4 hours, 5 hours. Not too much longer because there's a lot of we're using a soy-based marinade, which soy is obviously quite salty. So in the actual marinade which I have here, I made this yesterday. I'm going to put a link down below in the description with the actual full recipe. But this is 2 litres of water, 2 cups of soy sauce, tablespoon of veg oil, garlic cloves, fresh ginger, and that's about it. But like I said, I'll put the measurements in the description box below. Probably should have put this in a jug, which I'll do now. Smells pretty good just as it is, to be honest. The rest in here is probably made too much actually. This is a recipe I got online, and it's probably for 2 chickens rather than the 1, so you might want to reduce the quantities that I put on the description. So yeah, that should be plenty in there, I think. A little mix. And this is just going to sit in the fridge, like I say, for maybe 3 or 4 hours. Okay, I'll get cleaned up and then we'll go on to the glaze. Okay, during the cooking of the chicken, I've got I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. I've got like quite a thick glaze. This is just, like I said, we're going to brush it on the chicken as we cook it on the grill. And the glaze is, I refer to my notes because I can't remember. It is pineapple juice. I'll put the actual measurements on the notes below. It basically consists of pineapple juice, light brown sugar, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, a little bit of rice vinegar, 4 garlic cloves, grated fresh ginger, and a little bit of sriracha, whatever hot sauce you like. I've not put very much of the hot sauce in. I love it myself, but the wife's not keen, so I'll probably add some extra tomorrow once I'm eating it. Well, that goes in the pan and you cook it down till you get a nice thick consistency that you can see there. It smells great. Okay, next time you see me, we'll be outside on barbecue. Okay, we've got the charcoal set up there, just 1 lump of wood in there. And we're going to get the chimney starter lighted. Goes. Just a case of putting the chimney starter over the top. Just let it sit there for 15-20 minutes, it should be ready. Okay, slight improvisation on the barbecue because my phone's getting used to buy big weekend ticket for some ridiculous Miley Cyrus concert or something like that. Anyway, so there's the chicken. Got it on some paper towel just to take the moisture off there, and then we're going to get it onto the pit. Now some of you may be wondering, why is it called Huli Huli chicken? Well, Huli in Hawaiian means to turn, so that means every once in a while we're going to turn the chicken. So I'm sorry for the improvisation here, but you get the general idea. When you try this, hopefully you won't be buying tickets for the big weekend in Middlesbrough with Miley Cyrus and all her wonderful entourage. Okay, so let's just let that cook away. We'll put the lid on and leave this for around, yeah, we'll check it every 5 minutes and give the chicken a huli. Not a turn, it's a huli. Okay, we're about 5 minutes in. It's huli time. Say huli just literally means turn, and that's what we're doing. There's I've seen in Hawaii itself, people actually have these on skewers with whole chickens, and there's like, no kid, like 50 odd chickens on a constant huli, I suppose. And you just see this, you see it for like a couple of miles away, these people doing their huli chicken, or huli huli chicken. Anyway, looking good. Just leave that there, keep on cooking. Be back in a minute. Like I say, I'm sorry about this video quality. All this for Miley Cyrus tickets. Wow. Looking good, guys. Miley Cyrus tickets were sold out apparently, so we're back on decent cameras. Not a big fan of Miley Cyrus. Mumford & Sons were on, that'll be good. Anyway, bit of huli huli. Looking good. And next time we come back, we're going to be saucing these bad boys up. And we'll check the temperature as well, of course. Okay, let's see what we've got. Got the old temperature gauge here. This does Celsius and Fahrenheit, but let's see what we've got here. Yeah, it's around the 170 range. That's the biggest piece of meat, so that's definitely cooked. Yep, that's looking good. So we're going to sauce these up. Got a bit more of the glaze on these. Well, if you're watching this video, obviously I hope you're enjoying it. And secondly, please give me a little like or a subscribe. That would be nice. And if there's anything you'd like me, anything you don't understand, or anything I haven't covered that you'd like to know more about, again, just leave a little comment. I'll be more than happy to try my best to answer any questions you may have. That looks pretty good to me. That was not me breaking wind, that was the cover that was standing under. Okay. Give that a couple of minutes. Okay, we'll just leave that to finish off, and then we'll see you inside. We'll plate it up, see how it tastes. So there we are, guys. That's Huli Huli chicken with mac salad. I'll put the recipe for that down below. Okay. Moment of truth. See how it tastes. Huli Huli chicken. You've got to try it. It really is good. Really simple. Nothing to it really. It's just the marination earlier in the day that we did, and then the glaze really kicks it off though. Obviously, don't be buying Miley Cyrus tickets for the Middlesbrough big weekend when you're doing this, especially if you're making a video. Anyway, on to today's beer. It's Hawaiian Day, as you know, so it's Cocoa Brown. This is from the Kona Brewing Company in Hawaii, and believe it or not, you can buy this in the UK. It's from, you can get it in a place called Brew Merchants. Again, I'll put a link down below. Kona Brewing, they make some excellent beers. This one is a new one to me, so Cocoa Brown Aloha series. Oh, straight away vanilla. Bit of chocolate, maybe. Yeah, vanilla chocolate. I don't normally like a dark beer. Well, I do like a dark beer, but this one, it's excellent. Cocoa Brown. Check out the Hawaiian beers. Okay, guys, another video done and dusted. So please subscribe and give me a like and tell your friends. And if anything, any requests, any questions or anything like that, always like to receive your comments. So once again, thanks for watching and aloha.